assistant director for OAS Coach Mo. Athletics is possible. Give you some inspiring.
Alright, just finish distributing that first. The certificate. Alright, first, congratulate natin yung sarili natin. No? Let's clap our hands. Almost not easy to practice every day. No? You've been practicing for 2 hours. But you have to remember, alalahanin ninyo that the people who are playing for varsities or even in the pros, they're practicing almost 5 hours a day. So kulang pa yung iniensayo natin. Okay? Now, you're doing that because you are trying to repeat, inuulit ninyo, bakit pa inuulit ninyo yung drills? Why do you think do you keep on repeating the drills that your coaches are teaching you? To master it, di ba? To make it like a habit. Okay, yung ball handling, yung shooting form, yung passing, yung movement. Okay? But it doesn't end here. Tama na ba? Gagaling na ba kayo in a 1-week kind of training? Okay? Ano pa yung susunod na gagawin ninyo? What do you think? You have to keep on training. Diba? Whatever it is that you learn here, you need to continue that in your free time. No? You need to have a ball. Okay, master the handling, master the dribbling, master the shooting forms, okay, and all of that. Ang importante, okay, kailangan palakasan din natin yung ating katawan. Because, lagi kong sinasabi yan sa mga players natin, useless ang isang magaling na player pag mahina ang katawan. Tandaan yan, ha? So, it doesn't matter how skilled you are, pag mas malakas. Okay, sino ba yung pinakamalakas dito? Meron namamangga dito kanina nakikita ko. Nasaan na yun? Ito ba? Ayan, o. Kita mo, kung kahit gaano ka kagaling mag-shoot around the basket, pag ikaw binangga niya, wala lahat, wala ka ng balance, di ba? So what do you need to do? You also need to be stronger. So what can you do individually? Ano ang nagagawa nito? Ano yung mga pwede nyo gawin sa bahay? Meron din sila ako, pero nandito sila to support you. No? And, syempre, importante yung ating mga coaches. Right. Now, encouragement to you, is that this is not the end for the level of skills. Yung level of skills nyo does not end here. Okay? Hindi ito yung ending. Meaning that in an everyday time, pwede kayong mag-improve. It really depends doon sa commitment at kagustuhan ninyong gumaling. So let's say for example, let me ask you, ano ba ang gusto mong mangyari? Ano ang ambition mo in terms of basketball? Ano gusto mong ma-achieve? Bakit mo gusto mong magaling? Ano pang gusto mong